Good evening and hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class. I hope all of you are in the best of health and spirits. So, this is an extension of the class from yesterday, where we started doing some questions pertaining to nouns and grammar based questions. We are going to take it forward today, and apart from that, we'll also be doing one passage. So, before we delve into it, a quick introduction. I am Shriti Sharma. I have done my MBA in Finance, my MA in English. I write category, get a great percentile in the book section. Also, guys, if you have not installed the Unacademy Learning app, then please do it as soon as possible and start learning. Use my code SharmaJi. You can use the code. You can start with the free special classes, attend them, try them out, see how do you like them, and then if you want, you can also go for the paid subscription. I will delve into the subscription part a bit later into the class. तो पहले शुरुआत करते हैं. We had done till question number 10 yesterday, right? है ना? तो आज 11th देखते हैं. Yesterday's video you would have seen कि हमने question number 10 तक किया था and we had discussed some points pertaining to nouns and arrows. Alright, तो चलिए 11th देखते हैं. When Catherine decided to adopt a child, her mother, हमें देखना है कि sentence में कोई grammatical error है या नहीं. Her mother, who was in her early 70s, gave her an advice. Advice जो word है ये countable नहीं है. When you say an advice, it means you're saying one advice. मैं तुमको one advice देती हूँ. No, it's not really something which is countable. So it cannot be an advice. You can say give us some advice. You can say a piece of advice. ये भी एक option है. A piece of advice कर दो या फिर some advice कर दो. और कल हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया था कि advice का advisors भी नहीं होगा. Advices नहीं होगा. Right? CES. Like advice does not come in the plural form. क्या नहीं होगा? ये this would be wrong. This is wrong. As a noun, it does not come in the plural form. Yes, as a verb, it can be advises, but then that's singular. Like she advises her clients on matters of finance, right? वो ठीक है. But as a noun, it does not come in plural form. As a verb, it comes in singular form, which is advises, and it comes in plural form. For example, they advise. Verb में उल्टा हो जाता है ना. Verb में जब s लगाते हो तो singular होता है, s नहीं लगाते हो तो plural होता है. And advice is the verb form, advice is the noun form. Right? चलिए next question देखते हैं. Question number 12 देखिए. I'll just erase everything that I've written here. The famous poet and politician were felicitated during the function. Now, this sentence can be rectified in two ways. पहले गलत क्या है मैं बताती हूँ. एक बार दो लिखा है. What are the articles in the English language? Three of them, a, an and the. एक बार दो लिखा है and then you have famous poet and politician. इसका मतलब कि ये one person है. अगर आपको दिखाना था कि ये दो अलग लोग हैं तो you'll have to write the famous poet and the politician. तो वो दो लोग होते हैं. हाँ, तो एक one way to correct it would be the famous poet and the politician were felicitated या फिर जो एक दो है एक ही रहने दो, let it be one and change the word to was. The famous poet and politician, maybe it's one person who is both poet and politician, then was felicitated during the function. Alright? Okay, the next one. Raju's and Ravi's workshop. Now, when you say Raju's and Ravi's, इस तरह से अगर आप लिखते हो दोनों में apostrophe s, that means दोनों के workshop अलग हैं. अगर दोनों के workshops अलग हैं तो workshop नहीं होगा, फिर workshops हो जाएगा. फिर that is just round the corner नहीं होगा, workshops है तो R हो जाएगा. That are just round the corner. Services motorbikes नहीं होगा क्योंकि दो shops हैं तो service motorbikes होगा. इतने changes करने से अच्छा है कि हम एक्चुअली इसको एक ही क्यों ना बना दे. ये क्यों कहें कि दोनों अलग है, ये कह देते हैं कि दोनों का एक कॉमन वर्कशॉप है. हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? दैट यू कैन डू बाय राइटिंग इट लाइक दिस, राजू एंड रवीज. इस तरह से लिख, रवीज वर्कशॉप. इस तरह से लिखोगे, यानी कि द वर्कशॉप बिलोंग्स टू बोथ ऑफ देम, इट्स अ कॉमन वर्कशॉप दैट बिलोंग्स टू बोथ राजू एंड रवीज वर्कशॉप। अगर राजूज एंड रवीज करोगे यानी वर्कशॉप्स हो जाएगा, दोनों अलग अलग। ऑलराइट, तो एक इजी वे टू रेक्टिफाई दिस वन वाज, इतना कुछ ना करें, इसको इस रहने दे, सर्विसेज को सर्विसेज रहने दे, वर्कशॉप को वर्कशॉप रहने दे, बस व्हाट डू वी चेंज, राजू से अपॉस्ट्रोफी हटा दे, राजू एंड रवीज वर्कशॉप। राइट, चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। That machines have brought us more leisure and more energy is Roberts the author's view. Roberts the author's view मतलब कि रॉबर्ट का the author's view. No meaning ना, कहना क्या है, रॉबर्ट जो ऑथर है, तो रॉबर्ट द ऑथर का व्यू, तो रॉब write it like this, Robert the author, Robert the author का व्यू, तो ऑथर के साथ apostrophe s, apostrophe s shows possession और belongings, author's views author का व्यू। अभी जो लिखा है सेंटेंस में रॉबर्ट, इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं आ रहा है, इसका मतलब आ रहा है रॉबर्ट का द ऑथर्स व्यू, और ऑथर्स प्लूरल बन जा रहा है बिकॉज देयर इज नो अपॉस्ट्रोफी, सो दैट्स रॉन्ग। ऑलराइट, करेक्ट फॉर्म इज रॉबर्ट द ऑथर का व्यू। ऑलराइट, द नेक्स्ट वन, द नॉवेल्स फर्स्ट पार्ट इज फुल ऑफ डेंस प्रोज एंड डेलिकेटली नुआंस्ड डिटेल्स। देखिए रूल क्या कहता है, ग्रामर, ग्रामर कहता है कि व्हेन यू वांट टू शो पोजेशन बिलोंगिंगनेस इन केस ऑफ लिविंग एंटिटीज तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी यूज करो, कुछ एक्सेप्शन है बट यूजुअली लिविंग एंटिटीज में पोजीशन या बिलोंगिंगनेस दिखाना है तो अपॉस्ट्रोफी यूज करो, नॉन लिविंग में मत करो। तो द नॉवेल्स फर्स्ट पार्ट मत बोलो, द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द नॉवल बोलो। और अच्छा, इस रूल के कुछ एक्सेप्शन है बाय द वे, वी विल कम टू द एक्सेप्शंस, पर ये रूल ये कहता है नॉवेल्स फर्स्ट पार्ट मत बोलो, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द नॉवल, जैसे नॉवल, ठीक है, जैसे ये मत बोलो डोर्स नॉब, ये गलत है, डोर इज नॉन लिविंग, तो नॉब ऑफ द डोर। ऑलराइट, ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। 16th, ऑल माई सिस्टर इन लॉज स्टे एट माई फादर इन लॉ का घर, तो फादर इन लॉ का घर ठीक है, फादर इन लॉज हाउस, एंड फादर इन लॉ इज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, सो अपॉस्ट्रोफी टू शो पोजेशन इज करेक्ट। बट कल भी आपने देखा होगा वीडियो में कि सिस्टर इन लॉ का प्लूरल फॉर्म सिस्टर इन लॉज नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लॉ दैट इंक्रीजेज इन नंबर, what increases in number is the number of number of sisters. So it should be all my sisters-in-law, not sister-in-laws. It should be sisters-in-law. All right. Next one. The members of the Israeli cabinet gave their overwhelming support to the Prime Minister of Israel's plan. Prime Minister of Israel ka plan. So apostrophe s. To evacuate Jewish settlers living in the Gaza Strip. Prime Minister of Israel ka plan. All right. Prince Charles' friend Camilla. Prince Charles' key friend Camilla, right? Prince Charles' key friend. So Charles के बाद apostrophe. Since the word ends with s, तो apostrophe will come after s. Alright. जैसे कि कोई भी word, singular, plural, जो भी. For example, अगर मैं कहूँ students book, यानी कि एक student का book, apostrophe is coming before s. But if I write students, s के बाद apostrophe, book or books, whatever, यानी s के बाद apostrophe आ रहा है, that means the word ends with s. Now if the word ends with s, the word becomes students, तो वो plural हो गया, तो students के books. Charles is a name that ends with s, so apostrophe will come after s. Alright. Many experts opine. The meaning of opine is to express an opinion. So many experts opine that Sachin Tendulkar is Bradman of the modern age. देखिए, when a proper noun है is used as an adjective, कल के क्लास में भी आपने देखा होगा, कल के वीडियो में, when it is used as an adjective, then it is preceded by the. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्चुअली ब्रैडमैन की बात नहीं हो रही है, यहाँ पे सचिन तेंदुलकर इज लाइक ब्रैडमैन, राइट? सो ही इज द ब्रैडमैन ऑफ द मॉडर्न एज। कल भी मैंने एग्जांपल्स आपको दिए थे, यू रिमेंबर, शी इज द लता मंगेशकर ऑफ हर क्लास एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ही इज द हिटलर, रिमेंबर? पर रियल में हिटलर की बात होगी तो द हिटलर नहीं होगा, रियल में लता मंगेशकर की बात होगी तो द लता मंगेशकर नहीं होगा. I did it yesterday. You guys can, if you haven't, then you can watch that video as well. और कोई भी डाउट्स हो ना माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कोई भी डाउट्स हो तो हमारा नेक्स्ट लाइव क्लास होगा डे आफ्टर टुमारो. आप उसमें पूछ लीजिएगा, ठीक है. लिखते जाइए. और कल से एक होमवर्क भी है, if you remember, या ये वाला होमवर्क, वो भी लाइव क्लास में आप आंसर बताइएगा. कैनन्स वाला कहाँ गया? नहीं है क्या शीट में? दिख तो नहीं रहा है. जो भी हो, कल के शीट में था. कल की शीट में था. ऑल राइट. ओके, लेट्स सी. 20. Don't buy any more furniture. There's no place in our house. So furniture का plural form is furniture, singular form is furniture. There's nothing like furnitures. So don't buy any more furniture. है ना? फिर ये भी कल डिस्कस किया था कि when a collective noun is taken as a singular entity, when they are united in their actions, तो उसके साथ singular verb, singular pronoun आएगा. But when a collective noun is divided in their actions, तो plural हो जाता है. ठीक है? The team could not win the match because split हो गया था. तो it was split नहीं, they were split. They were. Your team does not refer to the team. Your team does not mean team. यहाँ पे team का मतलब है members of the team, यानी कि players. So the team could not win the match because the players were split into two groups. Divided थे ना, तो pronoun भी they हो गया और verb were हो गया, plural. Alright. 23 देखिए. A band of robbers have entered the village at night. यहाँ पे of course collective noun is band, and ये लोग collectively ये काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि they're united in their act of robbery. So it shouldn't be have entered. It should be hasn't. Alright. 24. There are 6 course boxes नहीं होगा. जैसे कि आप क्या कहोगे? There are 6 dozen sample तो नहीं कहोगे ना? नहीं ना? 6 dozen कहोगे, right? Exactly. वैसे ही 6 core boxes. As the little boy was very hungry, he ate 2 breads. कभी नहीं कहते I ate a bread, I ate 2 breads, I ate 3 breads. No. या तो आप slices of bread खाते हो या loaves of bread. अब मुझे नहीं पता कि उस boy ने slice खाया या loaves खाया. बहुत hungry था तो 2 slice में क्या होगा? Maybe पूरा loaf खा गया हो. जो भी हो, हम दोनों options लिख देंगे. We'll write both down. But not 2 breads. We don't say 2 breads, 3 breads. So it could be maybe 2 slices of bread or maybe 2 loaves of bread. Okay, right. Next thing there. Whereabouts is taken as a plural word, so the whereabouts of the fugitive are still unknown. Although the police believe that they are very close to apprehending him. British English में जो word police है उसको plural की तरह लिया जाता है, तो correct है. Police के साथ believe correct है. Believe is correct और they police के लिए correct है, are भी correct है. Like I said, British English में police is taken as a plural word. जैसे कि the police are looking for the criminals, not the police is, the police are. ठीक है, next देखिए. For goodness sake, please avoid playing the music system so loudly at this time of the night. When you say for goodness sake, यहाँ पे एक apostrophe आता है. I hope you are writing your notes. Okay, or questions, and these are pertaining to pronouns. तो ये देखिए, you, Michael and I must take the blame for the failure of the project. Now, when we use pronouns, no, and when the sentence is negative, in the sense you're expressing apology for something or saying that you did something wrong, as a negative sentence में order of person क्या होता है? First person, second person, and then third person. ये होता है order. तो first person कौन है? I, second है you, third है Michael. तो I, you and Michael must take the blame. ऐसा कब करते हैं? When it's a negative sentence where we are expressing that we were wrong or we are apologizing for something. Alright? But if it's a positive sentence, तो अपने आप को आगे मत रखो, तब अपने आप को पीछे रखो. Yeah, these are like etiquettes. तो जैसे कि the management plans to congratulate, तब आप करोगे second person, third person, and then first person. So it should be the management plans to congratulate you, Mary, and I. Alright? और जो मैं कह रही हूँ फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, ये क्या होता है? जो बोल रहा है whether in the singular form or the plural form is the first person, यानी कि I, me, myself, we, us, ourselves, ये first person है. जो सुन रहा है, यानी कि अगर मैं आपको एड्रेस कर रही हूँ तो आई बी सेइंग you, नो. तो you, your, yourself, ये सब सेकंड पर्सन है. और तीसरा किसी के बारे में हम बात करेंगे तो हम कहेंगे she, her, he, him, they, them, it. Even their names, Mary, Ram, whatever. ये सब हो गया थर्ड पर्सन. Alright? Question number 3 देखिए. It was me who documented the Naxalite movement. जब हम I और me की बात करते हैं तो I is the subject and me is the object. Right? Let's see. तो pronouns के subject and object forms क्या होते हैं? Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So I is subject, me is object. She is subject, her is object. He is subject, him is object. ठीक है? ये सारे subject and object forms हैं. I'll give you, if you don't know, then I'll give you a minute to write this down. ठीक है, आपने लिख लिया होगा. अब ट्विस्ट ये है कि जब कोई टू बी वर्ब यूज होता है, टू बी वर्ब एज इन इज, एम, आर, वाज, वो, ऐसा कुछ भी यूज होता है, तो उसके बाद में ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म नहीं आता है. ये द कॉमन एरर दैट ऑल ऑफ अस मेक. के बाद सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म आता है. करेक्ट फॉर्म इज सब्जेक्ट, यानी कि ये इट वाज मी is wrong क्योंकि was is a to be verb, so it shouldn't be it was me, it should be it was I. यहाँ पे you guys need to take a moment, see this, analyze this and internalize this because ये एक बहुत ही common error है all of us make. Take a moment, write it down, rather write it down. ये भी लिख लीजिए. Alright, ठीक है. So third is not it was me, it's wrong. Who documented the Naxalite movement among the tribals of West Bengal? It should be it was I. Alright, next देखिए. Neither the team leader nor the members of the team has succeeded. ये आपका verb है. Neither nor जब use होता है, when neither nor is used, तो हम देखते हैं कि which subject is closer to the verb. Verb के पास में क्या है? Members of the team, right? यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट टीम मेंबर्स हुआ, टीम नहीं हुआ, मेंबर्स और टीम में मेंबर्स हुआ, तो इट शुड बी हैव। और कुछ है क्या नाइदर नॉर का? नो, वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चन ऑन नीदर नॉर हियर। नेक्स्ट देखिए, her house is bigger than that of her relatives and friends. उस that is a singular word, और इसके रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स सबका एक ही घर तो नहीं होगा. It should be her house is bigger than the houses of her relatives and friends, right? It should not be her house is bigger than the house of her relatives and friends, right? तो that नहीं होगा, that की जगह those होगा. That would stand for houses of her relatives and friends. Next देखिए, Raj and me had a spirited argument. Subject चाहिए, Raj is the subject, me is the object, I होगा. Raj and I had a spirited argument. That is art. That is art. वहाँ पे कोई art है क्या? नहीं. Which makes life more interesting and important? No. It is art. It is art which makes life more interesting and important to us. Let. Let का मतलब होता है allow. It is a verb. जब भी आप कहते हैं ना let me come in, तो you let me come in. कोई भी request, command, order में hidden subject होता है you. Stand up. इसका मतलब होता है you stand up. So hidden subject is you. यहाँ पे you let these people come and meet me. तो let he and she नहीं, let him and her. ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए. allow is the action, no. ये एक्शन किस जिस पे होता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. सो let him and her. let us ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म. let me ऑब्जेक्ट. we don't say let I, let we. ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए होता है. वर्ब के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट आता है. alright. If one admits, next one, if one admits to the supernatural reality of nature, he finds that it heightens sense of spiritual awareness. He for one would be wrong. If one admits to the supernatural reality of nature, one finds. One के साथ one आएगा, he नहीं आएगा. Iraq was first destroyed by the US military and now it's being reconstructed. It's का मतलब यहाँ क्या है? It is being reconstructed. It is ऐसे लिखते हैं, IT apostrophe. Being reconstructed by the US corporations, which were the cause of its deliberate destruction, यानी उसका deliberate destruction. So that would be ITS. ITS का मतलब होता है उसका. Alright, 11. Every part of Mongolian life is infused with music, and each one of the songs sung by them remind me of a hymn. Okay, each one of the songs, when each comes in the subject, the verb has to be singular, like each one of you is intelligent. Each one of you plays the guitar well. Singular verb. मैंने बोला ना verb में s लगता है तो singular होता है. Each one of the songs sung by them reminds me. Right. Injustice is so rampant around us that everyone does not get what is due to him or her. Everyone singular है. देखिए इसके साथ singular verb भी आया है. तो pronoun भी singular आएगा. Them is plural. Meera did not take driving lessons. She taught herself. The worried mother caught the child by his arm. ठीक है. His arm हो सकता है. Its arm भी हो सकता है because child लिखा है, so we don't know the gender. Her arm भी हो सकता है. Her arm. All of them are correct. All the guests who the president invited to the party enjoyed a lot. ठीक है. Enjoyed a lot का subject है all the guests. Enjoyed a lot. ये part जो है तो क्या है? The president invited these people, no? The president is the subject and these people जिनको invite किया गया वो object है. तो it shouldn't be who, it should be whom. इसको अगर हम rephrase करते हैं तो क्या बनता है? The president invited them to the party. Them is an object, right? यानी कि who या whom में भी object form आना चाहिए था. Whom is the object form. The next one. Of all the men I know, none is less inclined than I am him. Object. To talk ill of others. as the years pass by and I and my grandmother saw less of each other. दो लोगों के लिए use हो रहा है तो it should be each other. One another is used when there are more than two. Never despise anyone, singular, for anything that he or she cannot help. Not one, he or she. Alright? Okay, guys. So, we will do the passage in the next video. Alright? Otherwise, it will get extended too much, and I think because it's not interactive, so it might get tedious for you. So, yeah, ये वाला यहाँ पे खत्म करते हैं, and passage we'll do in the next one. Right? इसमें definitely कुछ doubts हो तो like I said, you can ask me all about it in the next live class, which is day after tomorrow. अभी के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, and I'll tell you about the subscription plans which I mentioned earlier. There's the Plus plan and there's the Iconic plan, if you guys remember. So thinking of going for a subscription, then these are the plans. Plus में आपको मिलते हैं live classes, weekly tests, structured courses, unlimited access, study material on the go, notes on the go. They'll get riddles, puzzles, tests, all of that. And it's all very, colorful, and there are a lot of pictures and animations. And if you go for Iconic, then you'll get everything that comes with Plus, and along with that, you'll get study planner, customized study plan with bi-weekly reviews. You get study materials, specialized notes, and practice sets. You get experts guidance, study booster workshops by the experts. You get test analysis. I always say it's extremely important. You get personal mentorship, kind of hand holding. The price points for Plus are 6 months is 16,400, 12 months is 22,550, 24 months is 32,800. Use my code SharmaJi and get 10% off. This I'm the most serious about this fact. Because if you're going for a subscription, do use my code. Iconic का है 12 months is 39,500, 24 months is 59,999. यानी कि 2 साल, which is a good period of time. SharmaJi is the code, guys. Remember that. Okay. If you're going for it, use it. If any of your friends is going for it, ask them to use it. And if any of your friends is thinking of going for coaching, कि CAT या OMEDS का coaching करना है, तो उनको बताइए कि Unacademy के through coaching करना is definitely the best option in terms of the number of lectures they will get, the kind of guidance they will get, and even the price points if you compare it with all other coachings. So best option है कि आप Unacademy के साथ करें and SharmaJi code use करें ताकि 10% off भी मिले. Alright guys, you can join me on the Telegram channel Shruti_Cat, and I'll see you tomorrow and day after tomorrow in the live class. Take care. Bye bye.